आज हम देखेंगे 2019 का लाइब्रेरी एंड इंफॉर्मेशन साइंस का जीसेट का पेपर। फॉर स्टैंडिंग पर्पज रोड वॉज फाइनेंशियली सपोर्ट बाय JISC who developed OAIS Open Archival Information System, so consultative committee for space data systems. Which of the following organization supports the development standards for cloud computing? OCC. FAIF stands for Free Access to Information and Freedom of Expression. Granthana, Indian Journal of Library Studies, is the publication of Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. In an experimental research, treatment is introduced to the subject in the experimental group only. AIMS stands for Agriculture Information Management Standards. The Indian Input Center for Agris is Indian Council of Agriculture Research. Which network was registered as a society? Telnet. Which of the following is a collaborative network of reference libraries? Question point. Identify the Web 2.0 features from the given list. Blocks and folksonomy. Mean is a average of all the scores in an distribution. According to Ranganathan, the canons of chain are canon of decreasing expansion. Which of the following is not true about the directory in the record structure of Mark 21? Each directory entry is 24 characters in length. The classic three-phase model of change consists of unfreeze, move, or change and reprise. Run charts in TQM display critical time or period. Who is credited with the bureaucratic theory management? Max Weber. The correlation coefficient is a statistical measure that expresses the strength of the relationship between two variables. The large volume of high velocity, complex and variable data are termed as big data. Lothka's law deals with productivity of authors in terms of scientific papers. Expert systems have evolved from a long tradition of research. AI. The Library Association is now called as SILIP. Scalar chain shows authority structure. Time and motion study was emanated by Frank and William Gilbert, who has proposed the principle libraries have to be paid for. Donald Quant. RSS feeds allows to syndicate site contents and deliver it to your mailbox. Journal Citation Report provides G-index. Indian Copyright Act presently grants copyright for 60 years after the death of the author. The Berne Convention is associated with which of the following aspects? Copyright. Identify the correct elements of AIDA model in marketing communication. Attention, interest, desire, action. Identify the oldest association from the following. ALA. Fair use is the norm determining the legality of photocopying an entire book. If you give me rice, I will eat today. If you teach me how to grow rice, I will eat every day. Application of knowledge. Touchpoint. End user discovery service is provided by the OCLC. National policy on library and information system was formulated by Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. What is span of control? Number of activities that a manager can effectively handle. Connemara Public Library was established in the late 19th century. Which institute provides matching grants for establishing children corner in public libraries? Raja Ram Mohan Rai Library Foundation. Identify the symbol of spiritual experience and mysticism as given by CC delta. Identify the mark tag used for variable fields containing data related to subject access to the document. 6XX. IDA resource description and access is a content standard. Which V of the big data is concerned with the usefulness of data value? Which of the following is open array? An array of classes admitting of extrapolation. Sherpa Romeo is associated with the publisher's copyright policies and self-archiving. Who wrote the foreword to the first edition of the 5 Laws of Library Science? P.S. Sivaswamy Iyer. Which of the following is incorrect about integrated service digital network? So ISDN is employed as a transport layer or layer 4 protocol of the OSI model. Hypertext is a way of organizing material that attempts to overcome the internet limitation of their traditional print documents and in particular linearity. In the context of user studies, a librarian study on how well the human computer networks works can be categorized as user-centered approach. Keesing's record of world events is published from London. Which of the following is a tertiary information sources? Bibliography or bibliographies? Manupatra is primarily a database of which subject? Law. Identify from the following which publication is included in Indian National Bibliography, first issue of a new periodical. Amazon's Kindle is an e-book reading device. The license for associating the Europa World of Learning Online 2019 is available through Routledge, Terra and Francis. Instagram was acquired by the Facebook in the 2012. Which of the technology uses electromagnetic waves at a radio frequency for data transmission? Wi-Fi. The CAI technique based on program instruction is frame-based CAI. ISO 26320 is a standard for DOI. Which of the following transmission protocol is used in case of stream media scenario? UDP. Which part of the QR code represents the encoded data element? Identify from below the best research method for a topic on the themes used in English novels the 20th century of a particular library collection. Content analysis. In research on motivation among university library professionals, if the researcher takes every third person from each category of staff as a sample, it will be stratified random sample. In which edition of DDC auxiliary table per area was introduced? DDC 16th edition. What is the third part of column classification? Classics and sacred books. The first 5 characters of record label in CCF indicates the length of the record. Which types of libraries primarily organizes extension activities? Public libraries. The following functions are carried out by firewall 1 and 2, that is filters the IP packets, open apart to only specific and reliable IP addresses. Which of the following rights are granted for library works according to copyright law of India? A and C, to make translation and to make any adaptation. Intellectual property rights covers A, B and C, patents, computer programs and music. Which of the following are levels of communication problems according to Warren Weaver? Select the correct answer from the codes given. Third and fourth, the semantic and syntactic. From which universities S.R. Ranganathan was awarded delete honors? B and C, that is University of Madras and University of London. Which types of journals are listed in DOJ? Both 3 and 4, that is subscription based journals and printed journals. Which of the following notations are used in thesaurus to indicate hierarchical relation between terms? BT, BTG, BTP, NT, NTG and NTP. Which of the following are not to change management model? Third and fourth, so Laswell's model and epidemic model. Are the following internet based facility in its correct chronological order? First Hotmail, second Google, third Facebook and last WhatsApp. Are the following according to their year of origin? The third is the first Community Book Index, then books in print, British National Bibliography and Indian National Bibliography. Identify the correct chronological sequence of the following: bibliometrics, informatics, webometrics and altometrics. Match the following and select the correct answer from the following. First, IP is related with the datagrams, TCP is related with the reliable delivery protocol, UDP is related with the connectionless protocol and ARP with the help determine address or network. Match the following, select the correct answer. UNESCO is located at the Paris, then IPLA at the Netherlands, WIPO located at the Geneva, ACR at the Chicago. Match the following and select the correct answer from the codes given below. First C, the marketing mix is related with the Neil Borden, 7P is with the Jarmek McCarthy, SWOT analysis with the environmental scanning, SDI bulletin, information product. Match the following and select. LibriVox is related with the free audiobooks, Open Library is related with the ebooks, DOAJ e-journals, Jamendo with the free music. Common auxiliaries.